I can't hear my screen.
You just check. Are you able to present the screen?
No, sir.
You're still not able to present?
Yeah.
Okay, let me. But I'm not getting. Okay, okay. You are already host. You try it.
Okay, just wait.
Yeah, you are host. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay, so this is my complete project. Okay, in the
So this is
review
the
project.
connectors you are installed and the PySpark,
Yeah.
this Jupyter Notebook, right? So it's making a connection. So you are using a Snowflake account address, like account details, right?
Yeah.
Here.
At first, I have to means we have to install the Snowflake
Yeah.
connector on Jupyter, and then you can do the Snowflake connection.
Connect. Yeah.
My variable
And
is
where you have kept it password because you have commented. So how you are taking through the get pass, right? So
actually it's a password equal to get pass dot get pass. It's a very
some
secure security things. Okay, because if
you
you when you run this command, then you have to option your Snowflake password, and anyone can nobody can see your
masking, right? You
password.
did
Yeah,
masking. You
yeah,
did masking. Okay, remove these
yeah.
two lines, right? Okay, because everyone able to see this hash password. Now this is actual password, right? Okay.
No,
Only
no, this
pass.
is not my actual password. Actually, I see the demo only.
Oh, okay,
I
okay,
can
okay,
do
okay.
I can do the another worksheet also. This is my
No,
another worksheet. I
no,
can do
this
here.
same notebook also you can show, right? Or run
Okay.
or copy paste one by one command
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. That type. Yeah,
then
that type of
and
thing you
Jupyter
can
Notebook
just.
you use the Conda, right? You
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. At first, I have to mean the install NumPy and Pandas, then import it, and then that type of. Then when you connect the data, then you have to create a one variable with your Snowflake table, and then you can do the EDA process. Okay. After the EDA, this is my basic EDA things. Okay.
So you did the reporting in the Jupyter as well, and you did in the
Yeah,
Power
it's
BI.
no. I can do Jupyter and Power BI both also. Okay, I have no problem. But I just practiced it that how I will do the analytics portion in Jupyter also. So that's why I just import my C1 and Matplotlib, and then I do the basic things. Okay, that's not a very big thing. And I want to show that one thing.
Please mute it, right? Who is not speaking?
Okay, so
Hmm.
after the doing EDA process, we have to
Hmm.
connect we have to import that type of things, because this thing we have to connect the pipe and pipe to Snowflake. Okay, so this is the connection. Then we have to connect the Snowflake connection and again, and then we can do the process. Okay, okay. Can I show the at first point also?
Yeah. So now we can start now. Okay. So just tell the introduction about the POC. Okay, what you are going to achieve it. Okay. What is your objective in this POC, right? Okay. And then you can start from the scratch.
Okay, so means when the client will send the data, a data source which we are maintaining in a cloud environment, and if the client keep on updating the data every week, okay, based on frequency of pattern. So what we are doing to exactly here, we are taking servicing from simple storage services, AWS cloud environment, where we are connecting the entire S3 bucket to my Snowflake with the pipe, and after the storage integration is the create a bucket role policy. Okay, after the integration, we have to do that the data will continuously keep flowing in the table. Okay, whenever new table will get, then we have to enable the event notification, and it will trigger. Okay, and I want to clean it in, and after the Snowflake, then I have to clean the data in Python. Okay, and then after the doing the Python, and then I want to connect the data with Snowflake again,
Yeah.
and then I can do the connect the data Snowflake to Power BI. That way I can visualize my data. Okay, and I analysis my data, EDA data. So that type of thing I want to do that. So
you start with the AWS first, because everybody knows
yeah,
about the AWS, because S3 bucket and EC2 instance. So here we are going to use S3. So you are going to create a new S3 bucket. Just create a
yes,
bucket for your
yes.
POC, right?
Okay, so just search
If
and
anyone has question, can ask here, okay? And or you can hold the question till the end, whatever way like you want. Okay, you have any question you can ask. Okay, but the prerequisite is the person should have the knowledge in little bit on a Snowflake. He should have account, and he should have a AWS account, and should have a basic knowledge of EC2 S3, right? The fundamental services of the AWS. Okay.
so just create
Hmm.
a basic name for the bucket.
Yeah.
Okay, then it's normal thing, and then just create a bucket. Sorry.
Okay.
Now just it's done. Then I have to create inside the bucket. I have to create a folder. Means
Yeah.
I have a 7 tables. Okay, so I have to do the 7 folder. I have to create. Okay, I have a 7 tables. So just create that create a folder.
Okay. So you are going to load the data from the different folder in the same bucket, or how you are going to do, right? Or you are
No,
having enough.
actually,
Hmm.
see the client is not there. Okay, so I have to do the my internal device in my PC. So I have to upload the data in my folder. Okay,
Hmm.
and then I can connect the HC to Snowflake. This is
Okay.
the client thing, but here not is a client, so I have to do in the basic thing. So that's why.
Okay, fine. Hmm.
So my table 7, I have a 7 tables. Okay, and
Hmm.
this is my table. Okay, this is this type of tables I have.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So this is kind of sales data, right? This campaign, coupon, right? Transaction data.
yeah, it's a basic, very much means simple table,
And why
very
are
simple data.
the different transaction files are there? What is the difference, right? Like
No,
I'm
no,
able to.
the last 3 file is not a important file. Okay,
Hmm.
only the
Only one transaction
transaction.
data file.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so one
Actually,
transaction,
the
one product, one demographic, one coupon redeems, and one coupon and campaign and the campaign description.
campaign. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, these last 3 transaction file, I have to merge the one file. Okay. So
Mm.
that type of things already I am done. So that's why this is the only main file. This 176 transaction. This is the main
Okay.
file.
So can we do incremental load also, right? Suppose first time I loaded transaction and I'm getting a daily basis some data in my S3 bucket, and I want to apply incremental. Is it like what anything I need to do extra, or like the same
No,
process
no,
can follow?
no, no. You can change the data. Okay, and it will automatically
Power
refresh.
BI. Hmm.
Yeah, with Power BI. Okay.
Okay, so that will be a
So
business intelligence tool and interactive dashboard
yeah,
will be there. So your data
yes,
will
yes,
be reflected in a bucket, right? So it
yeah.
will be keep automatically your reporting will be changed, right? Your the
Yes,
business.
automatically it will change. We have to do that. We have to import the Jupyter Lab scheduler from the Jupyter Notebook. We have to import it, and then we have when the data will refresh, then the Jupyter to Snowflake and Snowflake to Power BI, the
Mhm.
data will automatically change. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that's the another thing. That's the
Mm.
incremental refresher.
Yeah,
Okay.
incremental delta load, right? Basically the delta
Yes,
load
yes.
we call it. So we want daily
Yes.
basis incremental data, right? One is a full
Yeah,
load,
we can do.
right?
Yes.
So first time we
If
did the
you,
full load, and after that we will do the incremental, like, and that should be
yeah,
scheduled basis, right? Basically,
yes.
every day the data file should be loaded automatically, right? So,
Every day, every week, you have to set the time. Okay, means
yeah.
the if you consider, if you have to if the client send the data every week in Sunday 3 p.m. So
Hmm.
I have to schedule this time. Okay,
Hmm.
means the after the sending the data, client sending the data. After the sending the data, I have to set my scheduler, and then automatically it will happen. Okay, and automatically chart will and the Power BI analysis tool automatically chart will mean change. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Yeah.
Okay, now I create my folder file. Then I have to create the file request.
So for data separation, we are keeping it all these folder, different folders, right? So that,
Yeah.
correct? Yeah. So the incremental loading data will not be an issue, right? Right.
No, yes.
So now we are going to create a role. Hmm.
Yeah. At first we have to create policies and role. Okay.
Hmm.
Not a
And what type of role it is, like which service, or it just general role?
general role itself.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't have the policy, so at first I have to create my policy. Okay.
But generally policy we need to create ourselves first, right? We have to create a new policy
Yeah.
and
Yes,
JSON,
yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have the JSON file. Okay, this is my JSON file. I have already. So I just copy and paste it there. Okay, then I have in policies I have to attach my retail role address. Okay, so this is my retail role address.
Okay.
So I have to attach it.
So you just change the bucket. Hmm.
Sorry, sir.
You just change the bucket, right? Your bucket, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now the JSON file is done. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. I have one doubt. Can I ask?
Yes,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Ma'am, in the IM role, you didn't give any principle.
Okay.
Principal is nothing but user, right?
Yeah.
So
But
my
principal
question
we
is,
copy, principal I think we
uh,
copy from the Snowflake, right? When
Yeah.
we,
okay.
Now it's not needed,
Uh,
I
um,
think.
hmm.
my main question is that means without giving the principle, is that okay?
No, actually, I am just creating now the simple things, only policy and role. And after that, we are connecting the Snowflake, then the principal will add.
We'll update that policy. Okay. Because we will get a token and the principal from there, and then we will update here. Okay.
There we have to do the list, read, and write. The policy. Then creating role. This is my new policy. Where that
Hmm.
keep the name. We can do it later also. Okay, the trust policy.
Yeah. Hmm.
Normal way. Create. Okay. Now my role and policy will create it. Now I have to log in my Snowflake account. And just create a basic things with the normal way, create database.
And what will be the role and the you are using for this, like account admin, same or any other
Yeah,
security role?
no,
In
same
the
na.
in the in the in the Snowflake I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Like,
same thing because
okay.
we have to just do it the connection. So after I am doing the staging process in Snowflake, then I have to copy the address and paste the role
Yeah.
and policies thing.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
that way it will connect.
Okay. So warehouse is a compute WH, account admin is your, and database you have public or right, or schema is the
It's a
public.
public things, but I can do I can write the code here also. Okay, it's a
Okay.
public.
Okay.
I can. Okay, so I think it's the capital data better. This is my database, and then
So how many tables you will create? 7 tables?
7 tables,
Okay.
7 tables in S3 bucket. Okay. Just wait. So give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
I have a technical problem. Now, now I have to create the table format.
No, you don't have the script ready. You can
No,
directly.
actually,
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah, I'm saying like you have
So
all
it's
7
ready.
table script, na?
Yeah.
Just run it those
Yeah,
script.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Mm.
This is my all 7 table.
Yeah. Just explain also the table once you create. Mm.
Okay, fine. So do I have to show my raw table? Is it raw Excel file or it's fine?
This is fine. This is fine. Yeah.
Okay. Just I think I can showcase my file also, raw file also. It will
Okay, raw file also you show the data set. Mm.
see the for the campaign description file. Here we have a 4 tables, right? Description, campaign, started and ended. So that way we
Campaign
have to
description.
just that way we have to create the table variable. Means the for the campaign description, for the campaign we have to do the integer code, the integer, and the start day it's a integer thing and end day it's a integer thing. Now for the easy way, so I already create the primary key also. So if you want, then you can do the PR diagram with Snowflake. Okay, so that's why I'm just creating, and that way I am creating my all table. If the marital status code, so I am creating the variable with character. Okay, and 5 is the number, so you can create your own number. So maximum number you have to get a better result. So that's why I am creating the table variable. So I have a 7 tables. So you see this is the foreign key and this is the primary key. Okay, and it's the unique key. So I am creating my own way to design my table. Okay. See the foreign key, primary key, it's already it will better to do when we are doing the PR diagram in sequence. But now I am just creating for the snowflake beauty, so that's why I am just creating to do. Now I can run my table also. Okay, now my all event tables will be created. See, my 7 tables is there. Okay, it's only the column table, not in the data. I'll have to push the H3 bucket. Now you can upload that here the data also.
Files, yeah.
Okay, now I uploaded my all data.
Yeah, so your 7 files are uploaded in S3 bucket, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now we
fine.
have to do the storage integration.
So you have to create a 7 storage integration, or storage integration is only one?
No, I have to do only one integration, and it automatically seven table will connect it.
Okay.
So this is description.
So you have to create, right? Before this, you have a create
Yeah.
command.
Yes, yes. Just finish.
So what are the parameter for the storage integration? We need to give
We need
role
to give
ARN
that type, it's the
and bucket.
external state. Yeah, storage provider S3 bucket, and enable to it's a normal basic thing. And then you have to do the retail role policy address and your
So
S3
bucket
bucket
level
location.
you are creating, so that all the folders in the bucket will be associated with this storage integration, right?
Yes, yes. So I have to change here. So at first I have to change the storage role. So
Yeah,
my
role
role.
ARN.
Okay, so this is my retail role project. This is my role, and I have to copy the ARN and paste it here. Okay, and here we have to do the S3 bucket location. This is the ARN for the S3 bucket. We have to do only the name.
Yeah, name of the bucket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now my S3 integration is great.
So when we display this describe, right? So we'll get a token here, right? And
Yes, and we
yeah.
have to attach that with
Yeah.
the AWS.
Yeah. Yeah. So external ID we have to take it from here, and IAM
No,
user
we have
ARN
to
we have to take.
yeah, I am user ARN. That person we have to
Yeah. So that I have to take it, and the external ID. Okay. So these two things we have to use in our bucket, right? In the policy.
and paste it Okay, this is the this is it. Yeah, so. Now we can show the detail. Here we have to create a small thing. Okay. Just change the CSV format in Snowflake.
What are you going to create?
The file format with the I have to do the CSV format
Yeah,
because
yeah,
my
one file format you have to create. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's right.
Format type you have to create.
Yes. So here I have to like CSV format. Just this is my file format coding. This is the file format name.
So format you created now.
Yeah. Now I can just creating the file and I can do the refreshing. So now the transaction. Okay, my data scheduler will be created.
So stages are still not created, right? That's the reason.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have to create a new stage with the format.
Yes.
You can copy the command from your previous one.
Okay.
Yeah. So
This is my table status.
these are all stages, right? Down one this.
Yeah. For the
Yeah.
and this is a seven. This is for the seven tables. Okay.
Okay. But what is this pipe is coming? Because it is not a stage, right?
What is that?
Okay. Oh, you created a stage is create or replace stage retail. So only one stage you
Yeah.
created with storage integration. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now we have to just in one storage indication we have to do for the seven tables.
Okay. So you are using snow pipe, right? You are using snow pipe,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So snow pipe can use the same stage, right? Where you have added a
Yeah.
stage here, copy into command, you have given from the this @ retail. That is a stage, right? Okay.
Yes.
So these 7 commands you will run.
Yeah.
So here is the file format you are giving your CSV. From you are giving a
Yes.
S3 bucket, @ retail is a stage. Okay. And demographic is the folder in the
Yes.
bucket,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. And copy into command, you are saying the Snowflake table name and you are creating a pipe, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But I have to change my address here. Means because my address is retail projector, so that's why I have to change my
Database
address.
name.
No, this copy into this address I have to change. Okay, because see my project my database name is retail project, so that's
Uh,
why I have to change my all address because
oh,
it
retail.
is
So or just
like
underscore project you add, na?
yeah
Your retail
yes
project, you
yes
PROJ. Yeah. Just copy and just, yeah. Okay. I think your stage name is retail only, right?
oh yeah yes, yes.
Only just copy into the table name, the database name, na? Just copy and replace all the places.
Okay
copy
I just
into.
create one thing and then I can do the copy paste option. Actually,
Okay, first do one run. Is it
Yeah.
successfully running?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, something like does not exist or authorize. I think connection problem.
Hmm.
No, what error came? Does not exist?
Does not exist.
What is not exist? See,
Retail project.
your database is stage is not exist. Stage is saying. Show stages you do. How many stages appearing? See, still stage is not
Yeah,
created
yeah,
yet.
yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
So you copy the code from there to stage and then paste it here. Your retail stage is not created yet. No, another Snowflake has your stage, right? How to create a stage. The second one. Yeah. Uh,
Same.
no, this one, line number 91. That is a stage. Yeah, retail.
Oh,
Yeah, same stage you create, but change the your bucket path.
yes, yes, yes. That is right.
Hmm. Yeah. So you have to change your bucket name.
Yes, bucket name, yeah.
So only bucket till bucket we gave, right? Because after bucket you are using at the rate, right? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think your storage integration is fine. Now you create. Okay. Now check stages.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah. Okay. Now you create your pipe. I think first pipe you didn't create. Yeah.
this is the first play, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Run this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now just change the database name. Copy into right retails PROJ. Copy this name. You double click on this, it will copy. No need to
Oh, yeah.
select.
Yes, yes.
And yeah. All the one you replace. Yeah. 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 Okay.
Now I can just run this.
Yeah. So this is your data movement, right? Data transfer. Correct?
From S3 bucket to Snowflake with slow
Hmm. So after this step, you will be able to see the data, right? Count, select count.
Yeah. Yes, yes. I can see the data.
And I seen that do we need a pipe is necessary like copy into command I can not directly run because I have a stage is there and stage is associated with the storage integration. I can directly run only copy into command rather than this pipe because do you want to use further
No,
this pipe? That's the reason did you create
no,
pipe
no, no.
otherwise?
It's only the means it's the first time we just use it, but I don't need it to use in later also. Okay, I can use
So
in
pipe is
with the
not necessary. Even the copy into command you run 3 lines, copy into from and the format, it will work, right? It will write the data, correct? If you
Yeah,
run
I
only
think
copy into
because
command,
I didn't. Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah. I think because I didn't do
Because you
without
are
this.
creating this pipe, so what is the use of the pipe, right?
Actually, from the S3 bucket to Snowflake, we using the Snow pipe to get the data in
Okay.
Snowflake. So
Okay.
that's why I just create the pipe. That's the only thing.
Can you show the pipe? How many pipes are created?
Yeah, just
Show pipes.
See,
Okay, 7
pipes.
pipes are created. Fine. Okay, and just check the data in the tables.
We have to do at first the refresh the pipe. Okay, so this is the command. We have to do it.
What is the use of this refresh?
Just refresh the with the refresh mode. We just create the freshly data because we means that it's
So
a basic thing.
automatically
But
refreshing, right? Data, right? Whenever
yeah,
the data is
automatically
adding
refresh
in
it.
the bucket, right?
Yes.
Folder. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I think you created a pipe. The reason is like whenever the new data, incremental data comes, so automatically the table will be automatically loaded.
Yeah.
Correct?
Loaded with
Incremental.
the pipe. Yes.
Pipe. Because if I use only copy into, it is a one time, right? Just I do copy into. Correct?
Yeah.
So,
But if I just if I do the any changes in my data, but with the Snowflake snow pipe, it will automatically change in the Snowflake also. So that's the
Actually, Snowpipe is a ETL, right? As in the Snowflake, right? It's a ETL, right? Basically, you can make it ETL way the data loading. Okay. So
at this is okay. No. Actually, I have to create my actual name.
okay, first you check the data came or not because select count star. All the tables are populated. Just you have already select count start query. You copy from there. Yeah. Because at least first count star is fine. Like we can check. Okay. Yeah. So we'll make sure, right, our data through pipe came or not.
And also the spelling will also have to same because see there is a demographic and here high demographic raw. So I think that's why it will not come.
Oh, but table name you kept it same, now, right?
Okay, yeah. This table is great. We have to just do the.
So raw, your table is not raw, right? Can you see your table names are not raw? Can you go up? I think raw you didn't use, right? Table name. Little go up.
No, actually it's not a problem. Okay, because in Snowflake we just create a raw because it's a raw data.
Oh, okay. Directly coming
Not a
from the
problem.
S3, right? Directly coming from S3. Okay. But data is not populating. Why in the table?
Because we have to do at first pipe refresh, then
Oh,
the data will come.
okay. Refresh. So okay, we have to fix it
This
this
is
one
the
first.
refresh thing. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
the refresh thing we have to at first do, then we can do the select process. So data will come.
Right.
So I have to change my name, I think, because I think I do the wrong.
But that's just coming something permission things, right?
Sorry?
Permission issue is coming when you just did the refresh.
No, it's not a problem. Just do it.
If you run the refresh command, see it's a like an access denied, like permission problem, right? List bucket. Okay.
Okay.
In the policy,
Okay.
you already changed the token, right?
Yeah. Okay, I have to create event notification, then I will get the data. Sorry,
So,
this is the notification. Okay, I have to copy and paste it in the bucket.
oh, where we have to copy this notification channel?
Just wait. I have to create a event notification.
Oh, event notification.
Yeah, permission is an option.
For incremental data, right?
Yeah, for incremental data.
No, I think you check it event notification. There is a configuration, the property you go down. There is a option event notification.
Yes.
Yeah, because we generally trigger, right, kind of things,
Yes.
right? Because any file is coming in S3 bucket, so it will trigger a Snowflake pipe, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Prefix suffix is optional.
And this file is a .csv, you don't need to tell, right? Because bucket you have to tell suffix, right, .csv, and the folder where which folder. So you have to create a 7 notification or only one notification?
Only one notification is.
Okay, the .csv you gave, extension you gave only. .csv. No, not here, not here. This is a prefix, like suffix you gave. Yeah,
Yes.
.csv. And event type you make it all type. Go down.
Yes.
All, right? Because it
And
will cover
all
everything.
all object create of it is.
So any post update, I think this is all fine. That is fine. First one.
Yeah.
And down you go. There is a destination we
Yeah,
have to
there
define.
I have to change the SQS to, and here we have to copy this notification and paste it.
Oh, so you have to create a one SQS queue you have to create, right? And okay.
Yes. And we have to just paste
Give the SQS queue ARN. So
Yeah.
separately you go AWS SQS. Oh, here SQS, but you have to create a SQS queue as well, na?
Yes.
This is you're giving SQS queue ARN, but this queue should be there, na, before also.
No, actually, sir, when we just create the show pipe, okay, then they just the result will just come that.
Oh, they
the
already created. I think Snowflake
Yes.
has created already, and ARN. So if I go to SQS, I can find this queue, right? Notification.
Yes.
Can you show that
So-
SQS queue if you go there in AWS account? Separately, just type on the top SQS. I want to see just SQS and new tab you open. Yeah, right click new tab. Okay.
sorry.
Actually, that is all you're gone. Okay, and go there and queue, list queue in the right side, left side. There is a three horizontal line. Yeah, queues. Click on queues. But here I'm not able to see queue, right? So how you will use the ARN? That I'm not getting.
Okay, just wait. I want to create, then I
Okay,
can.
okay, do that.
Okay.
Because I have not done this thing before, right? Okay. And this should be the same for all the 7, right?
Yes. Now we can alter the pipe. Okay, I think now it will.
What forgot?
Just pipe.
This is something different problem. Bucket problem, like list bucket. So 40 is a forbidden access. Authorized to perform.
Okay, here is the problem.
What is the problem?
Actually, I faced the policy here. It's not my actual retail means the actual
Bucket.
bucket. Yeah,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
is the
Bucket is different.
yeah bucket
So
is different.
how the staging worked fine? Oh,
What is that?
still
How
that
the?
is not executed, nah, right? Abhi
Yes.
still okay.
Actually, in my policy, I am creating different buckets, so that's why my data not coming. Okay, so I have
Right.
to just change my bucket in my
Yeah,
policy.
yeah, yeah.
So
In
I
the
put it.
policy. And the role you change the token, right? And
Yes, 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 yes.
okay, those things. Sort of.
This is not my actual. This is my H3 bucket, right? So that's why I have to change.
Both the places you have to change. But where is the token you added?
I did now.
External ID. And what about the external the token that we no need to add?
I don't understand. Point.
Okay, let's see. Maybe pipe is not needed, maybe because
No, pipe is needed.
Snowflake role is not authorized to. You can check the configuration of the other bucket, the other policy, because you have already previous policy. Now you can check is it same configuration or not in the S3, right? In the IAM, right? You can check other role and policy, right? It's the same. Like you created a other policy, you can verify you have previous policy. Practice retail, na? Okay, this one,
No,
yeah.
this is my actual.
Mm.
See, this is my event notification. Okay, and I take the notification channel here.
Okay, these things fine. I'm talking about the policy and role, right? Just verify
Yeah,
other, because maybe something you forgot
I
to.
see.
Because two things you created, right? Policy and role, right? So check both.
Yes.
What is the configuration? No, what is your policy name? Hmm. So previous policy name, retail policy. Yeah, go this.
Yes, yes.
Just check this, Jason. See here. Okay, this thing is fine. I think this is you are giving correct. Okay. Go to the role also.
This is my business.
Hmm.
This is
This is fine. And go to permission. So retail policy you added here. Okay. Okay, I think this good. The only doubt I'm thinking, like you didn't use the external ID, right? The generated by the stage. The S3 integration.
Sir, I have one proposal. Can I show my previous project?
Okay.
I,
Show that one. Okay, yeah.
I think it
Yeah,
will
we
be
can
better.
continue further. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah, check the table transaction.
See, here is my
Okay.
data, and I'm creating same way.
So one-time data is loaded, right? All these tables, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pressing. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is the first time data is loading, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just wait. Now I have to. Can I do my previous project?
Ah,
Because I
yes, yes,
think
yes. Do that.
it will
Yeah.
better to showcase you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So forward everything. I have to show them. Okay. This is my
Previous
bucket.
bucket.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, previous bucket, and my you saw that my detail role is the previous. Okay, I am just showing. Okay, retail role is my previous role, and in policy, retail policy, I think this is my previous policy. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Previous role and previous policy.
policy. Yeah, and I am creating the retail event for the event notification. Okay.
So now you will be
So
doing the Jupyter Notebook to transform data raw to.
yeah, I have to at first I have to just load the data from Snowflake, then I can do that. Okay.
Okay.
I have to do at first load the data. So for the purpose, I have to first delete all data, then it will come. And I have to re-upload my data, then it will come. Okay, just wait. I have to delete my all data.
I think first time data came, right? So that is fine. We can do next.
No,
Yeah.
actually, last time when I was practiced it, then I was to I have to delete the data, and then I have to
Okay. Okay.
re-upload,
So
then
again,
it
you
will come.
will load
Yeah,
and do. Okay.
yeah. If I showcase one table, then you can, I think, understand.
Mm. No, copy it on other way. Yeah.
So, okay, data now it's uploaded. Now I can do all the description. Yeah, see, status is same. Okay. Now
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can
Send.
do select down. Yeah, see, now I can do select start from demographic row. See, this is my data. Okay.
Okay.
So that way I have to do all the 70. Campaign is groups.
Okay, so through pipe it is loaded.
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 record.
This is the data. For the campaign.
Okay, so
Okay, now all my data is
done, right? All table data is refreshed. Yeah, okay.
So now we can do that. That I have to transfer the data with the Snowflake connector in Jupyter Lab. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So Jupyter Notebook, you are connecting to your Snowflake account and then accessing the data, right, for processing,
Yeah.
right? Transform.
And then I can do the EDA with the Python coding.
Okay, okay, fine. And
So
Panda
I
is the
have to-
library. Okay.
Yeah, and I have to install some basic library for the Snowflake connector.
And what is the use of SQL Alchemy? Because I heard it, this is some SQL database, right? So it's a NoSQL database, SQL Alchemy.
No, actually, in Snowflake we created the SQL workflow, right? So that's why we have to install this Snowflake SQL Alchemy. So if we write the code in Python script, so that reason we didn't have to do that. Okay. But for the SQL worksheet, that's why we have to install the Snowflake SQL Alchemy. Okay. Now import NumPy as NP.
Yeah. And matplotlib is for the graph, right?
Yeah, for the graph. If you want to do the graph in Python, then you can import
Seaborn also.
Otherwise, okay. Then now we have to create the gate pass, and gate pass for the password security purpose. We have to and for the visualizing the beautiful way, so that's why we have to using the pandas profiling. Okay. And in pandas profiling, we have so many options is there for doing the beauty of the data. So that's why.
And what is the Y data profiling?
This is for also, I think, the data analyzing thing.
Okay. So this Jupyter Notebook you are running through Anaconda, or like you installed separately? Anaconda. So you install Anaconda and you
running and Jupyter. Just launch the Jupyter Notebook and lab, and then I can. Okay. Now we have to do the connection in Snowflake with Jupyter. Okay. So this is the variable we just create it, and Snowflake.connected user is my Snowflake user ID. Okay. You can see my username. Here is the username. Okay. I have to do that. Same, I think. Yeah, same. Okay. And the password is getpass.getpass. This is for only the security purpose. Okay. And account, I will show the account, which one is. Okay. This is just in between the dot and HTTPS colon slash. This is my user.
This is account name. This is account ID, right?
Yes. And database my detail, and warehouse is complete calculates. Okay. See, I can log in. Yes. Just give me one.
So this Snowflake password is asking on the fly, dynamic.
See my password just belonged. You can see my password for the get pass here live.
So it is verifying, right? Connection.
Now it's fine. Now we can do that. We have to do that.
Cursor.
This is the cursor, yeah, and we have to do the cursor to connect it. So from the Snowflake, we saw that the demographic raw is the main file, right? So we have to create the file. We have to upload the data in the variable with the variable. Okay. So select demographic raw is my variable name. In this variable, I have to create this select start from demographic raw. This is my Snowflake. Demographic raw is my Snowflake table, right? So I have to do all of things that way for the 70. Now we have to do that the cursor executing for the fetching the data part. Okay. Okay. So my data just came. Okay. So that's why I just close the connector and close my cursor because it's the safety purpose. I can do now in EDA and I can reconnect and rejoin with Snowflake to Jupyter. Okay. And then I can push the data with the file.
Okay, okay.
So I just close the connection. Now you can see that the demographic raw table. Yeah. See,
Top
this
5.
is my table.
Top 5.
Yeah. Yes, yes. So here you can do your own way with EDA. Okay. I just do in my way. Just create a head,
Yeah, just
tail.
fetching the data.
Yeah. So data type, save, is null, describe. So do I have to show it again or it's fine?
What? No, data is fine, right? Now, next, how will you do the transformation, right?
Yeah.
Like EDA, you are doing explorative data analysis, right?
Yeah, you can do it here. You can do it the data extraction, and you can visualize your data also.
So
Now,
did you do the join anywhere? Join, right? Any two tables join you did?
No, I just do it in a date time function for EDA. Okay. So I can show my data in Console.
Someplace you have done aggregation, right? Can you show
Yes,
that?
group by,
Yeah.
group by while I am doing aggregate function. March. You can create a March also. So do I have to show it or?
Yeah, so this is the join, right? Okay, so what is
Yeah, this is
analysis
the
here?
join.
So you are merging, you are doing, right? Coupon given.
Yeah, yes, it's a basically it's depend on my means the project statement. Where the project statement how whichever the written was that I was done it. Okay. So this is the margin
Left to
portion.
join.
So given and sort value descending order. I think that was.
So group by on aggregate column total product, right?
Yes, yes.
Product ID.
So I have to show it like the join portion.
No, this one group by what you are doing here. Campaign you are doing, right? Product ID and coupon.
Yeah, I am doing a with the coupon draw table. I am doing the new variable coupon given. Okay, then I activate the group by function and group by function with the campaign table and create the aggregate function with total product and total. You can see my coupon draw table. I can show my table.
Okay, and you showed some graph, right? The plot you have plot the graph.
Graph also doing. No. Graph is not there. Okay.
No, one or two graphs I've seen this kind of graph. So yeah, this one bar
This
graph.
the
Yeah, this one.
yeah. This is for the okay. So I have to show my project statement. Okay, then I can understand. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Wait. So here I have to do that type of KPI. So that's why I think I just done the part of KPI means the customer demographic KPI, campaign KPI, coupon KPI, and this is the function I done it to sales value. It already means I am done on my Snowflake paragraph. This is the Power BI. Okay, I think I am done. I was done. It's normal thing.
Can you show that like reporting Power BI? Right. Suppose your data like if you transform data, how will you writing data into Snowflake? Suppose you created a transform data here, and how you are going to write the data into Snowflake table, the new table.
After, yes, after doing the all of EDA, we have to just
No, this part is covered. I'm talking about in the down, right, where you done some uh, the analysis, right, and you create a transform data, right? So new table you created, like some new table, right? Campaign description new, right? So you are right
yes,
pandas, you are writing the
yes,
uh,
because of the means the snow side problem. That's why I am creating the new table
okay,
here.
new table. Hmm. But you are
Okay,
creating a
because of
table
the
through cursor, right? Okay, but
yes,
suppose the data is there, the transform data is there. What is the bucket? What is like a table you created? Which table you created? The transform table in Snowflake? Like
in transform this normal
yeah, this table.
transaction.
So this table is as it is same schema, whatever your transaction table, this transaction new.
Yeah, yeah, same schema, same things. Just we have to
Oh, okay,
create
okay. But it's a transform
new
data,
way.
right? Like some
See,
transformation.
the main problem is the snow side because we can do normal raw data. We can do the we can do the EDA and we can do the transfer of the data. But for the snow side problem, there is some problem is there. So that's why I can't create the raw data. So that's why I have to do the new table. Here I have to create the new table and then I can do the transfer the data or push the data.
Okay, so suppose my tables are there in Snowflake and I want to do reporting, right, in the Power BI. So just show that how to connect to Power BI. Yeah, from the Snowflake. Just one table you show, right, how to get the data in Power BI, right, from Snowflake.
Here we have to create the copy the account URL.
Mhm. Okay.
Then
So further in the Power BI, we can do more enhancement, right? The DAX is there, right? And
yeah,
measurement, right? Those things we can attribute, right? Those things we can do in Power BI.
yes.
But how the data automatically will be refreshed in Power BI?
And that thing we have to do in Jupyter Lab. So
Jupyter Lab, okay.
for the Jupyter Lab, we have to install the Jupyter Lab scheduler, and then in Power BI. Okay, I will show you. Hello.
Yes, yes. So you
Okay. Yeah. You can connect in this way. Okay. And this is my all table in Snowflake.
raw table, okay.
How many table you want? You can just tick mark
Pull.
all of the table. Then you can load data or you can do the transform data. Load data means you don't have to do the EDA portion, and transform data means you can do only the analysis portion. Means that you
So
can do
first
the
we can
find
load
the.
and then we can transform, right? First we can load and then we can
If you
do the
want
transform.
to the load, so you can, yeah, input and output is fine. Input and
Okay, so these all tables data loaded. Like one table is having 14,416 record.
yeah. Okay. Now you can do your own way KPI, and you can do your own way Python. I am first done
And
my
we can create
KPI.
a one single dashboard also, single dashboard.
Yeah, yeah. We can create it. I will show my actual project. Okay.
So this is your previous retail analysis
Yes,
dashboard.
this is my
So you
analysis
saved as
dashboard.
a PBIX file, right? PBX file.
Yes, yes. So this is not my file dashboard.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your final dashboard. So there are multiple tabs are there, this home page, customer, campaign.
Yeah, this is home page means.
Hmm.
This is
Okay.
the front page of my project,
Customer page. So
and
customer
this is
data.
for customer table filtration. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay,
we
okay.
have so many, and you can
Hmm.
click this button also. It will come the campaign reading rate. This is my product table, and I am creating a commodity transaction. Okay, using the product and trend below,
Hmm.
using the product and trend combination, I am using the commodity transaction. This is a one type of data filtration.
And whenever the data refresh is done in the Snowflake table, will it automatically refresh in this Power BI report?
Yeah, we have to do in Jupyter Labs. Just wait.
So this is your another Jupyter Notebook?
No, actually it's a Jupyter Lab, and that was my Jupyter Notebook. Both
Okay.
are same things, but for the scheduler refresher, we have to do in Jupyter Lab. Okay, so that's
For scheduler thing, right? Like it automatically trigger, right?
yes.
The ref. Okay. So what? Okay. So here,
Here we have to install some
Jupyter
scheduler.
scheduler. Okay.
Just give me 1 minute.
So just to tell the steps, right? Jupyter Lab, right? We have to install. Okay.
Yeah, we have to
Scheduler.
install, and we have to install the Jupyter scheduler, and then
And what command we have to run, right? To invoke the scheduler.
no need to run any command. We got this is Jupyter.
Oh, here we have to launch. Okay.
Yeah. We don't have to create any command, okay? We just install the Jupyter Lab scheduler, and then here you find the one option is where create notebook job, and inside the
Hmm.
notebook job you have to just create the schedule the time. Okay, I don't know why it will not run.
Okay, we'll do it later. Okay, I think scheduler part. Okay, you configure it, then we will show it later. Okay, I think.
I don't know
Okay,
where
I
is the
think we
problem.
are good now. Hmm. Okay, just keep it. Any enhancement we will do next is a DBT, because DBT is now getting more popular. So we'll together to enhance this application, right, through DBT to transform. Okay, so then we will do the reporting in Power BI. Okay, yeah.
Oh. Sorry, sir, I don't know where the option was gone. It is okay.
Okay, fine. I think this much presentation you given, this is really very good, and it is very informative. Even some of the things I don't know and I learned from you. Okay, and whatever you done yourself, and that is really done right. You have done good, and this type of things keep update your knowledge, and try out more integration things you do in Snowflake side, Airflow, because Airflow is also, there is a Snowflake operator is there, and I was keep trying, but it was not successful in my last workshop. Like AWS to, there is a MWAA, okay, service to invoke the Snowflake operator to this, whatever automation we need, right? Whatever steps you done, these are manual, right? You have written all the manual way to run all these queries, right? Stage, right? So if we make it automate this and like invoke and trigger through the Airflow, okay? So we'll do some automation things and make it more CI/CD pipelines, like more like production level, like pipelines we can do on the right deployment, right? Okay, we'll do and we'll enhance for that. Okay, that's not a worry. Okay, but improve more or new things to add on these POCs, and like, okay, and bring it. Okay, thanks everyone for joining. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.